Hi everyone. Over the last few weeks, many of us have heard names like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and now something called Claude Mythos. But what exactly is Claude Mythos? Question mark. Why is it making headlines around the world? And why are governments, regulators, and banks paying so much attention to it? Right? Let's understand this in the simplest possible way. First, let's start with Claude. Most people know ChatGPT from OpenAI. Similarly, Claude is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic. Just like ChatGPT can answer questions, write emails, summarize documents, generate content, and assist with coding, Claude can do many of the same things also. For example, imagine you are planning a family vacation to, say, Dubai. You ask the AI, help me plan a 5-day trip to Dubai for a family of four. Within seconds, it could recommend flights, hotels, uh, tourist attractions, daily itineraries, and even estimate your budget. That's the power of modern AI, right? Now, let's take it one step further. Imagine an AI system that doesn't just answer questions. Imagine an AI that can analyze massive amount of information, identify hidden patterns, find software vulnerabilities, and solve highly complex problems. That's where Claude Mythos comes into the picture. So, Mythos is considered one of Anthropic's most advanced AI systems focused on deep reasoning and cybersecurity related tasks. And this is where the story becomes really interesting. Unlike ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, Claude Mythos was not broadly released to the public. Very few organizations, researchers, and selected users have been given access. In fact, many technology professionals have heard about Mythos but have never actually used it. Think of it this way, most of us drive regular cars, right? But imagine a company builds a Formula One racer car that is significantly faster and more powerful than anything else on the road. So, before allowing everyone to use it, regulators would naturally want to understand its capabilities and potential impact, right? That's exactly why Mythos is attracting attention. You understood my point. Now, let's look at why governments are interested. The concern is not that AI can answer questions, the concern is that highly advanced AI systems can dramatically accelerate cybersecurity activities. For example, imagine a hospital with thousands of servers, hundreds of applications, tens of medical devices, and connected systems. Traditionally, security experts may spend weeks looking for vulnerabilities. An advanced AI system may be able to do the same and identify those weaknesses in hours. That's incredibly beneficial for defenders. But it also raises an important question, very important. If AI can help security teams find vulnerabilities faster, could it also help attackers discover them faster? So this is one of the key reasons governments around the world are monitoring this AI model. Now let's look at about, I mean, the banks, right? Every bank today relies heavily on technology, online banking, mobile banking, and payment systems, ATM networks, customer database, digital transactions. A lot of digital transaction happens in every second, right? Even a small vulnerability can cause significant consequences. This is why financial institutions and regulators are paying close attention to advanced AI systems like Mythos and their potential impact on cybersecurity. So, India has also taken a proactive approach. According to my knowledge, reports indicate that regulators and banking institutions have been assessing AI related cyber attacks uh, and risks and strengthening preparedness measures. So, this doesn't mean AI is being banned. It means organizations are preparing for a future where AI becomes more powerful and more widely adopted, right? And in my opinion, that's exactly the right approach. You understood my point. For me, the real story is not Claude Mythos itself. The real story is what it represents, right? So, AI is evolving rapidly. Whether it's Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any future AI system that have not even been developed yet, organization must prepare so that preparations include better cybersecurity, stronger governance, modern network architecture, but obvious. And there is very important point is continuous monitoring, then AI ready infrastructure, and responsible adoption of emerging technologies. Very important point. So, as networking and technology professionals, I believe we should focus less on fear and more on understanding, because the organizations that learn how to leverage AI responsibly will be the ones that gain the greatest advantage, right? So, I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you see advanced AI as a bigger opportunity or a bigger cyber security challenge? Please let me know. Thank you for watching.